Hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel called Call to Claim. So today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to claim this free PXR network token, okay? And I'm going to show you guys on how to mine this token right away. So with that being said, let's jump into the video. But before we do that, I want you guys to hop in and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video, okay? So what I'm going to be doing now, click on this, okay, this one here, to sign up with Google, okay, that one. So I've already gotten my account already, so I'm going to show you guys. Okay, all you have to do is to click on that, then it will take you to this place. You choose any of your email you feel like choosing. Then after that, they're going to take you to another page, which you'll be inputting the referral code, okay? So I'm going to be giving you guys the referral code on my the comment section, okay? You're going to see it there. So this is the app right now that I'm in. So all you have to do is to wait for it to load, okay? As you can see here, I just started it already. I've gotten 14. So all you have to do is tap in this place, okay? When you tap in, you're going to see your balance, okay? Then for you to start seeing your mining, you have to tap this one. All right, so I want to show you guys on how to mine. As you can see, time is counting. This is the time left for me to mine again, okay? So as you can see, this one here, okay, this is 7 hours left. This one is 53 minutes left, okay? So all you have to do is just to tap on this hourly reward, okay, which is the down one. You tap on that. Let me show you guys this one here. You tap on it, okay? Then when you tap on it, it will take you to an ads, okay? You're gonna watch the ads and you earn money, you earn the coin, okay? This one, the same thing. Obviously the ads is gonna pop up and you have to wait for it to finish cycling, as you can see here, okay? Then you now click on the 2 arrow, you now cancel it and you're gonna earn, okay? So that is it, guys. If you love what I just showed you guys on this video, I want you guys to hop into my YouTube channel and subscribe. I want you guys to boost in on my YouTube channel, okay? So this is the invite link, okay, if you want to get it. So it's going to be on the comment section below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.